You guys have to make this super easy meal. Most of the cooking is done in the crock pot. First, I'm just adding 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts to my crock pot and 2 packets of taco seasoning. Next, I'm throwing in a 28-ounce can of rotel and a small can of green chilies. Put the top on your crock pot and let it cook on low for 4 hours. Once the chicken is done cooking, you're just going to shred it however you prefer. I got this cool little gadget off of Amazon and I love it. I also like to use my hand mixer for shredding chicken, but this way is just a little bit less to clean up. Now we're gonna make some baked chicken tacos with this chicken mixture. So first I'm just adding my taco shells to my dish, and I'm using the stand and stuff shells. These are gonna fit a lot of chicken. Next I'm shredding some pepper jack and Colby jack cheese. This little shredder is amazing, but feel free to buy the pre-shredded cheese as well. Now I'm just gonna load up these taco shells with this chicken mixture and then add the cheese on top. I did leave 2 tacos without any cheese because my son is weird about melted cheese on his tacos, so we'll put his cheese on later. Bake at 325 for 10 minutes and your chicken tacos are ready. Add whatever toppings you like. I use sour cream, lettuce, pico de gallo, and the green pepper sauce that's made by Cholula. My whole family loved these tacos, and we also had lots of chicken left over, which we used for different recipes for lunches throughout the week. Be sure to save this recipe and let me know if you try it.